How to temporarily deactivate TikTok account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the settings and privacy option you see there and then tap on the account option. Further, you will see the option to deactivate or delete accounts. So simply tap on the deactivate or delete account option and then tap on the deactivate account option you see there. Further, you will be shown with the guideline that will be followed once you deactivate your account. That is, no one will be able to see your account or content and information that is not stored in your account, such as direct messages, will still be available to others. Simply tap on the deactivate account button you see there, and you will be required to enter the verification code sent to your phone number or the email account that you have registered TikTok with. So simply tap on the deactivate account option you see there once you have entered the verification code, and with this, your account will be deactivated. So this is how you can deactivate your TikTok account temporarily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.